Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you guys how I made €300 as side also every month. Once I made the target of settling 10 trade every day for a month. If I'm able to settle more than 10 trade, or I settle like 20 trade every day, I can make roughly €600 as a side also. I'm going to show you step by step how to do this also. Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. Anything you watch in this video is for educational purpose. So let's get into this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. First thing you need to do is go to P2P trading. I hope you have Binance account. Then if you don't have Binance account, if you want to create Binance account, you will find a link in the video description. If you use my link, you will receive a welcome bonus. So on this the home page, you will find this P2P trading. You need to press for this trade to go, for you to be able to do this smoothly. You need to use this express. For you to be able to use this express to trade, you need to become a merchant. How can you apply to be a merchant? You come to this profile. I'm merchant already, so I don't know how I'm going to find this. If you can see this verification button that I'm a merchant, so I don't know how I can. There is no button yet for me to be able to apply as a merchant. If you are not a merchant, you will find this button here to become a merchant. So you need to press this. You read the requirement, read everything. Then once you apply, they are going to verify the account. It's going to be maybe in few days. Then if the account has been verified, you will have this blue check and this verification button that you are now a merchant. So after doing that, you need to come back to this P2P trade. Mind you, when you become a merchant, then you create an order to sell your USDT to euro. Basically, someone that want to buy USDT, basically they will send euro into your account. So you have euro into your account. Basically, you are withdrawing. Then they want to deposit euro into the money into their Binance account using P2P trade. So basically, this express mode is, a lot of people normally use this express mode. So the system is going to select this transaction randomly. The best rate that the system can find right now is 1.0034 cents. So that's basically the good price for this trade right now. So that's how the system just, if you press now buy, confirm buy, it's going to give you the person that want to sell this USDT randomly on merchant profile. So basically this express. So merchant is someone doing this professionally, know what he's doing. So that's why this express button is being the function of this express. So let me tell you something. On this trade, this merchant is going to get profit of $1 on this on this trade. Basically, this 1 euro to 100 euro to dollar is $900 to 100 to euro is 97.76 cents or 60 something cents. So basically, this seller is profiting $1 on this trade. Mind you, if you can settle this trade 10 times a day, $1, that's $10 in a day. Mind you, you can meet this requirement $10. You are able to settle this trade every day. So let me use my calculator here. Let's say you settle, let me use my calculator. Let's say you settle 10 trade a day, that's $10 times 30, that's $300. Basically, that's how you make this $300. It's legit. You can try this. That's how. This is not kind of video that some people are going to tell you can make this. Then you watch this video, then you later find out that it's very difficult to make this. But with this, and you meet this requirement, you make this €300 a month once you settle transaction on Binance. So basically, this is what you need to do. For you to be able to do this easily, you need to settle this transaction on, you need to become a merchant for you to be able to do this easily. Then this is the bank account you are going to receive this payment to. Bank account. Basically, this account, if you live in Nigeria, you can create this account with your passport, everything. You can create this account. I recommend you to create it account. This is not a financial advice. So this is what I use. So I recommend you to create this account. If you don't have this account, you will find a link in the video description for you to be able to create this account. Once you create this account, you'll be able to receive money freely. You have Euro, IBAN, and bank information, everything. You'll be able to receive around between European Union, the Euro transfer. You'll be able to receive this money, this transaction in your account. So you don't need to have special documents. With your Nigerian passport, you can make this. So that's the bank you can use to receive this euro you are selling your USDT to. So when you continue, you repeat the same process every day. You repeat this process. Please, if you get value in this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel and turn off the notification bell. So that's how you do this. Basically, I don't want to show some information on my phone, so that's why I could not move around a little bit. So basically, that's how you do this every day. $13 every day for you to be able to make $300 every day. If you can settle more than 10 every day or 20, you'll be able to make $600 every month. So basically, this is what I do for side hustle. So follow this account. I'm going to show you more video how I make money using Binance and crypto generally, and the coin I'm buying, everything generally. Comment in. I want to know your thoughts. Comment in the comment section. What do you think about this video, and what do you want me to talk about on this channel?